She looked like a pocket pussy demon. Like, why does she look like that? Hi my babies, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be Chain 4 Man Part 4 anime reaction series. And I'm excited. So far we had Denji and Power there together. Power freaking set Denji up. And he defeated the bat demon thingy. But yeah, like definitely have to talk about trust and not doing that shit again. So let's get started. Troop. Damn. Slipping birds up like a damn drink is crazy. Oh my god. All in the cow's butthole is crazy. Damn. So they were just going around. Oh my god. So they're a wild demon? Like, why? She ain't got no clothes on. She got the cat. Cute cat. Why? Why did she do that? Oh no. Frantically too. Damn. You gonna run into town naked? That was a cool transition. What? Okay, she just wanted a little companion, right? Didn't it get eaten? Aww. That's cute. Get up. So they were just in his. Oh my god, I forgot he did all this rampage. It wasn't to kill you. It wasn't to save you, ho. No way, bro. He did that for some titties? At least he asked me for consent. Like, yeah, I did your titty. Yeah. Squeeze, squeeze. I do not forgive you. Do it. Oh! What just happened? My arm? Ew, what is that? Ew, look at the titties. I have to skip it. Oh no. No way, bro. What? Why did he eat his arm? What's going on? Who is that? What did she cut his arm off with? Her hand? Her. Why can't she move? Why can't she move? I don't understand. Okay, whatever. He's too tired. Look at the... Yeah, you are. Okay. That was your boyfriend, bitch! She looked like a pocket pussy demon. Like, why does she look like that? I'm just saying shit. Oh, yeah, like, look at the pocket pussy. Like, she's definitely like a sex doll demon. I'm sorry. Ew. No way. What are you about to do? You have no arm, barely a chainsaw. That's a little saw. It's not a chainsaw. Damn. Yo, he's fast. That's gonna hurt. Woo! Ooh! Yo, the goal here is not it. Like, I want him to say, like, oh, I fuck with you. I just want to save you. But I really feel like, damn, he rocked her. That's all you could do. You got some blood in you, bruh. Does it mean human blood or it can be any blood? Your baddie was a bitch. That's a dumb dream. Stop calling me cute. What do you want to do with me? I'm crying, yo. Yaz, your dream is not it, bruh. What are you gonna do after that? After you do it? Like, you're getting rocked. Oh, okay. The animation's good. Oh! That didn't kill her. There's no way that kills you. That would piss me off too. He's fed up. Yo, he's tweaking. Yo, he was genuinely tweaking. Like, y'all always talking about my motherfucking dreams. Y'all dreams is trash too, bitch. This is my shit. Worry about your shit. Damn. She popped your eye out your socket, bruh. She's rocking you. Oh, is this it? Oh, no, you're just crazy. That was a really cool shot, too, what he just did with his face. You're crazy, dude. Okay. Oh, my God. The little baby chainsaw. Oh, she got you, bruh. Why can't she move? Can someone tell me? Damn. She's a leech? That thing just talked. Who are they? Is that Ricky's? I'm crying. They even checking up on the fucking cat. Where's Makima? Where's my bad bitch Makima? So, what do they eat? I seen you eat regular food. You found it? Thank you. Are you not a devil? Then why don't you tell me? Oh. Hello. Okay, finally, he said that. Like, power is cool. Yes. Why are you trying to protect her? Because I was snitching like a bitch. Oh, 50-50 on, like, alright, basically the Avengers. Like, what do you want to do? Look at him crawling to get the apple. Okay. Do you? I don't really like you. Okay. Are you really not gonna report this? You're gonna protect them too? Don't you all get disposed of if that's the case? Where is he going? To his apartment? Where are you going? Where are you? Oh, it's my grandma. Why you checked yourself before you went in? You love her. So is everybody a demon? Or in cahoots with a demon? Devil?
そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。デンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。
Oh, you really lie like shit.
ヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。
What's gun flesh? What's that? I heard that before? No.
ご苦労様。でも、デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
循環エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
わかりました。
では、失礼します。
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった？デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな？
まさか何も変わってないですよ、俺は。
He still lives with you? I hate this freaking ponytail. Oh, she wear his hair down. Why are we watching this man do laundry? Okay. What's going on? Who's banging up on your door like that? Hello? Oh! I know you fucking lying, bruh. He's gonna shoot himself. Oh no, bro. Look at his face. He's like, please God, yo, my crib. No, you know she's not gonna behave. Yo, children.
作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ悪魔。
トイレクソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せくせえんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れくせえんだよ。
なんちゃう
Yo, this is gonna be difficult.
先生じゃのにゃーにゃーこ
Yo! Yo, they sick of her. Like, get out. Oh my god. I've been like, Makima, please don't do this, yo. You was just the same.
悪魔は野菜も残すし。
おい、うぬ
あ、おいクソ悪魔。てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Ew.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから揉め。
You gonna do it?
どうした嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。
This gets sweating bullets. Bricked up.
じゃが条件がある。
What?
胸を揉んでいい回数は3もみじゃ。
Okay.
にゃーこを助けたのが1もみ。
Okay.
コウモリを殺したので2もみ。
Yeah.
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3もみじゃ。
I feel like that's well more than 3. But okay. He deserves more.
に報いての3もみ。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Bricked up. Folding. Do it! I'm crying. So dramatic. I'm watching that later. I'm crying. This was funny. I really like Chainsaw Man, y'all. We got 8 more episodes. I think there's 10 or 12 episodes. I think there's 12. We got 8 more episodes. I feel so bad for Hakawawa, whatever his name is. Like, he is just struggling, like, to keep up with Denji. Now he's got 2. And she like, put a leash on them. You'll be fine. Like, I would have been like, Makima, please. Please do not send these people to my house. Like, go give him an apartment next door, and I'll check in on them here and there. But no, that's just not the way we go. Oh man, I feel bad. I feel bad for him, and then I feel bad for Denji, cause like you got really like they're all lying to her, and I feel like she knows. Like, all right, fine, you gonna lie to me now? This is your punishment. This is crazy. I don't even know what the next episode's gonna be about. Oh my goodness. All right, that's part 4. Yo, and now she's not flushing toilets. Like, she's a terrible house guest. But what do you expect more from a demon devil thingy? I feel like if you let a devil stay with you, yes, they would be terrible housemates. Like, oh goodness. Okay, that's the end of that. This episode was really funny and also action packed. So yeah, I respect that, because that shit with Denji and then we gotta talk about Hakuwa's power. He has the fox devil and a piece of skin, but that shit was huge. Or it doesn't matter the size. I don't know. They need that tiny little bit of skin to be like, all right, I'll kill somebody for you, because that shit was huge. And then there was people with him. There was one person with an eye patch and 2 Rickies. All right, these two, Denji and Power, have no business being together, but it's chaotic. It's fun. We're here. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next part. That'll be part 5. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and your family. I'll see you next time. Bye.